As an epilogue, I forgot to show you in Bullet Love that I am probably not the target audience. I love tinkering with games a lot, and I expect some kind of care in my games and passion. Now, level 99, I don't know them at all. Aside from this product, Bullet Love and Bullet Star and Bullet Orange, Bullet Heart. Yeah, I think Bullet Heart. And I wanted to show you one typo I saw that nobody else bothered with. So tell me what you see. Mischevious. uh, Nobody on the planet has pointed that out. So I went to the Discord and kindly showed them what is the meaning of Mischevious. Mischevious is Old English, but the game is in American, so there is no real reason for it aside from a typo. And if you look at um, the digital version, the first version, you see Mischevious. The I and the V were swapped. It was corrected, and then it was corrected incorrectly. Uh, so next versions, if you still decide to go for Bullet, should not have that typo anymore. So much for my contribution to the community. I didn't see any other typos, by the way. Yeah, I think bullets. The Bullet series is for people who like video games that are fast, and the problem with video games is that behind the screens, the developers are playing with probabilities, and in an analog version, the probabilities are what they are, and there is no behind the screens thing, unless you apply some mitigation, and that is why I would be in favor of mitigation, at least from drawing from the command back, and having some idea of the face down bullets to swap them out for something else if they don't feel promising to you. So these are all my thoughts for level 99 Bullet Love. I'm not really yet sold on it. I'll post a new video when I have some more experience under my belt. But a priori, I would not I would not recommend to buy it right now. Just wait a few years and do not buy it from the secondary market, because the sellers of the secondary market products are really careless with the game, because they are the careless video gamers. So yeah, that's all. Bye.